Hello viewers, I am Ram Kamal with you. Today I want to talk you about Socrates. Uh, uh, how his life was during childhood and how he uh, he expressed himself in society and what was the response of society with him and what happened to his life at the end. He was from Athens and he studied music and interested in gymnastic also. He studied science and mathematics. Other other than uh, other subjects, especially mathematics and science. Let us understand his thinking process. After growing up, he went uh, in open society or he tried to contact people and talk to them and try to uh, transfer the message of truth and said that uh, we should train our mind to become noble, to become good. This is the method what he experienced his life, and he imagined that in such a way society will be better. He said that by experiencing we can understand the truth. He said our conducts are responsible for our thinking process, our construction of our mind. So we should transform our conduct, or we should do such activities which can develop our thinking process towards the truth. He went to different gatherings, even individual levels also, and talked such things. We understand that such type of people talking about truth and sciencing, understanding, experiencing and understanding about the physical world. In such a scenario where there is a imagination about the religions exists, there will be problem. People protested. Some people, particularly who were ruling that time, the class which was involved in ruling the society, they disliked his opinion, and he was he was he was called to the court for his misleading charges. Rulers they thought that he is misleading the society against the God, and he was uh, finally punished that he will be punished, uh, and he will be given death. In that time, traditionally, poisons in a cup was given to drink that. His his follower Plato, he was a great philosopher. He noted his opinion and found that it is useful for society, and he became popular also afterwards, and propagated his thoughts. When he saw the condition of Aristotle, his condition of Socrates, sorry, then he started weeping, and the persons who were around him also started weeping. He, the Socrates asked, why people are weeping? His followers said, one of his followers said that they are crying. He said, I want to die peacefully. And everybody stopped crying. And the jailer who wanted to, who has to give the cup of poison, there was a tears in his eyes. Socrates said him to control, and he has taken the poison, and lost, his life was lost for the guiding the society in right direction. अभी हम हिंदी में समझते हैं कि सुकरात के बचपन काल से लेकर के और पढ़ाई लिखाई, और उसके बाद सुकरात ने समाज के लिए क्या किया, और सुकरात के साथ जो शासक वर्ग था क्या किया, इसको समझते हैं। तो सुकरात एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व थे जो ये कहते थे कि हम अपने मस्तिष्क को प्रशिक्षित करके और जैसा बनना चाहते हैं वैसा बन सकते हैं, और हमारा जो सोच है, हमारा माइंड है, वह जो है हमारे गतिविधियों पर आधारित होता है, और यह ईश्वर से पहले यह बात आती है। यानी कोई अगर हमें सच समझना है तो हमें अपने मस्तिष्क को प्रशिक्षित करना पड़ेगा अच्छे कार्यों के लिए। इसी आधार पर हम सज्जन बन सकते हैं। ऐसी बातें जो शासक वर्ग था जब सुना तो उन पर मुकदमा चलाया गया कि यह समाज को गलत दिशा दे रहे हैं, और उन्हें प्याले में विष दिया गया पीने के लिए, और जो जेलर विष दे रहे थे वो भी रोने लग गए। तो सुकरात ने उन्हें सांत्वना दिया और कहा कि हम शांति से मरना चाहते हैं। अंत में सुकरात की मृत्यु होती है। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद मी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।